Hey everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you some quick and easy tags. I have got tag dies from Uniquely Creative, but I saw this idea and I wanted to try it out. Anyway, so I've cut some cardstock from the collection, 3 by 3.5, and some paper from the collection too. That one, that's 3 by 3, a couple of those each. And the smaller ones are 3 inches by 2 inches. So I'll leave that measurement there at the side. Hopefully you can still see if you wanted to have a look at it. And then what I did was I rolled it all up. And, oh, I haven't done that one there. As you can see, and I'm going to use my scissors. These are Fiskars scissors. I really thought they would be better than the children's scissors that I've got, that I've kept for my grandchildren after our own girls grew up. I've still got them all these years. I still don't cut as effectively as I thought they might, so I just did that to make that really sort of raggedy edge that I wanted to have that look for. So what we're going to do is just you could just make the tags with this measurement here. So we'll just put these to one side. So I've got some things here that I've cut out ready to go. So you can just put something really simple on there like that. And a word, and I should have brought some stars out, shouldn't I have, Kate? Of course. Just got some stars. Didn't cut that very well because it looks a bit bare, so I might need to get some stars. I've got some stars. Just a moment, please. I could use some stars from. Oh, that's what I might do. I might use some silver stars or some wooden ones. These are Scandinavian from Uniquely Creative. So I've got some stars here. So what should we use? Should we use silver ones or should we use wooden ones? Because they're just tags. Quite like the wooden ones. What about the hollow wooden ones? Oh, the tassel in the wrong spot. Yeah, I think I might go for the wooden ones. I quite like those, so we'll just put them just to one side as well. Add to my collection I've got over here. Just putting some things out of the way, sorry. So I'm just going to do that. I bet you, and I was going to test the glue and I didn't. Oh. Why is it that you think you've got everything organised and then when you come to actually video and think, oh, I forgot to do that. Oh, I forgot to do that. So after having months of rain and cold weather and whatever, that has finally decided to get hot. And after it's a bit of a shock after not having such cold weather. I mean, like, yes, it's just sort of like 1 minute is sort of like 15, 16, 17, then all of a sudden it's up to 20, 28. But the car said 30 when we were on our way home from something this morning. Taping is the same days that we went to our grandson's birthday, and I've already talked about that. So, do we need another one? A little one, maybe? I should get them out, shouldn't I? So I can play with them then. Easier. Oh, I've got a little one there. I think I like the solid one for the little one, so just put another one there. And then what you could do is you could just leave it like that and put a hole in the top. Or the reason why I've cut it another one bigger like that is to make it a bit fancier. So I'm going to put the hole through the two and use some string from my stash. And of course the glue is warm because it's it's warm today and it's got everywhere, so hopefully I can get that off. Rub it off first, and stick that back on again. My glue rubber. So I'm going to use some string from my stash, just some light string. I've got some from Spotlight. I've also got some excuse me a bit some red crochet twine that I got from an op shop. Just going to fold the string in half. It's way too long. Don't like it that long normally. through the middle like that. It's gone to, oh, excuse me, something's in my throat. Hopefully that'll stop whatever was tickling my throat. Sorry about that. Very rude of me. So there you go. Well, you can tie a knot at the top if you like, so that doesn't move. If you, it's up to you if you want to just do a little knot to the top, which I can do now. Just a little knot so it stays put. And then you've got your tag, and then if you wanted to, you could do the whole to and from thing at the back, or just leave it blank like I'm going to. So that's a jazzed up tag. If you didn't want to do that, like I said, this bit at the back, because you might think it's a waste of time, you can just do the front bit and make a little tag so you can have it like that. So let's do another one with the blue tail stick at the back and one of these at the front. We could just change it around and do a, I really like that side. It's beautiful. I love that side. I really do. Do a flower cluster. Or shall we do a little owl and some berries? Oh, we've got some of these little blue flowers as well. Maybe we could do some flowers. Blue, keep it blue. I'm going to do the owl and some holly. Let's do that. Stick that on. See, it's running everywhere now because it's warm. And then you can just turn it off because you have trouble getting it out next time. I just turn it off a little bit so it doesn't go everywhere. One, like somebody said that for the bottom bits to turn it upside down in a container, and I did that once, like a upside down, made it one out of a toilet roll. I've seen people use those and put because it fits, these glue bottles fit perfectly. It's a 450 glue, and but even though I screwed the lid on tight, it still leaked out and actually damaged my desk, so I'm not going to do that again. What should we put on the bottom of that? Reason for the season. Merry Christmas. That's boring. Just did more. Let's do the season's greetings. You can tell I cut these by line the side. It's not very straight. Let's stick that on. It doesn't look like it's on. I don't know if you can see the pencil lines where I've drawn the measurements to cut with the scissors. And again, you could just leave it like that, and there's your tag. It's perfectly fine the way it is. Do you want to do a star on there? Why not? Can I find a smaller one? Probably not. I've got a lot of these bigger ones, these ones with the holes in them. I think I prefer the smaller one here. Just do that. These are also from Uniquely Creative. Came in a couple of collections. I can't recall which ones, but they've come in handy for various projects. Just make sure I've got enough glue on there because I don't want them coming off. Like I said, you could just leave it like that and that would be fine as a tag. A simple, easy, quick tag. But I'm just going to jazz it up a bit more, put it on the back. So if you just wanted to keep this size, you can 3.3 inches by 2 inches. If you wanted to do the fancy bit at the back, you can even make the fancy bit at the back a tag. We might do that next. It's entirely up to you. It's your, whatever you prefer, really. And like I said, I have got a tag die from Uniquely Creative, but I saw these and I thought, oh, They look a bit different. I want to try. I really quite like the look of these. If you didn't want to use just plain white tie, there's plenty of lovely Christmas things you can use out there, you know, with a bit of bling on them, but I'm just using what I've got in my stash, and because I've got the white in my stash already, that's why I'm using it. I don't have a lot of I have got some baker's twine from Uniquely Created from one of the kits. It's not going to go very far, so that's why I'm sticking to the, oops, that's why I'm sticking to the white string from Spotlight. So there's a little, and I'm going to just do a big one for, just for fun. Could be for a big present or for somebody who can't see. Or to wonder if you want to just do a big present, a big tag because, just because? Yes, why not? Just because. So I'm just going to do a cluster there. I think I've sorted out my scanning cup problem, so thank you, Emily from Silver Mist Crafts, for helping me with that. That was really good, your advice, and I watched some YouTube as well. I'm just going to put it into practice now. So when I finish this video, I'm going to cut some more of this to make some cards. So this will be my last one, I think, because I don't want to make the video too long. If I can get it loaded, I'm having a bit of trouble yesterday with my laptop recognising my phone for some other reason. I bought a new cable now, so hopefully that's fixed. You know, cable for the between the phone and the laptop. It can't just be any charging device, it'd be a special cable, and the one I had was not that old really, but we think that maybe just the way I stored it probably wasn't the best for the cable. I mean, I wrapped it around, but maybe it was, the wrapping around was too tight, so I'm going to use a different place to store it, and I won't have to wrap it up so tight because it'll be a bigger space and it'll spread out as much as I like. And hopefully it'll work. So you've got two, like I said, you've got the simple tags, the small ones, using these shapes, or you can jazz them up with the layer at the back. And this one is just, like I said, I've kept it the big tag, just for a little bit different. Why is that not going over there? Punch a hole. Don't ask me where I got that. Might have been Spotlight. I've got no idea. I've had it for a while now, and I've got a hand one as well. But I've forgotten I had that one, and I was having all sorts of problems with the hand one because of my arms giving me so much trouble these days because using too much crafting. So I think even though I could have used the red twine, I'm going to, because that would have gone as well. It's going to stick to this white twine, white cotton twine. Okay, so that's 3 tags. Hope you have a go and have a try. Do I want to, oh, I forgot to do a star. Do I want to do a star on that one? Or doesn't it go really? Maybe little ones. Keeping edge in. What's going on? Yeah, I think so. I've got the tags from Uniquely Creative as well, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different this year. I quite like the way they turned out, and Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.